USA, all nations and 7.9 plus billions of humans. Now, this civil justice sign off is all for the Pope Francis created a satanic organization right in the important state called Michigan, and it is created only in Detroit, state of Detroit. Okay, and again I want to say to the population living in the state of Michigan, just do not panic, stay calm, relax. I am there, being aware I am there. I am the pro se, I am the true civil lawyer. I will take care and I will provide the medical compensation for entire population. Okay, so what is more of the testimony I have to provide at this point of time? When I was working on the poverty free end of the year 2030 volunteer project, that state of Michigan, Detroit, during the Christmas time, the state capitol building or wherever it was, I'm not sure on where exactly, but this one I'm aware of. Okay, during that Merry Christmas time, all the downtown, everywhere it will be celebrated with lights and people will be celebrating. But then this state of Michigan, Detroit, they displayed a Satan worship statue next to the nativity set. Like it was like they were just absolutely directly mocking on the Merry Christmas nativity set like that. But then even on that time I was coolest, and I was only providing wisdom education. God is there, God will take care. Means that time when I was educating the entire worldwide, I never knew the years after during the COVID-19 and in 2021 I'll be signing off the civil justice for the state of Michigan, Detroit. Got it? So now we all got it exactly why Pope Francis only provided the statue of Satan next to the nativity city set and displayed and proved that Pope Francis is a Satan after all. Right? So this is one scandal. Okay, so either Pope Francis has to say whether he knows that devil worshipper statue only provided next to the nativity set, right? Or Pope Francis should say he has never ever heard about the word called devil, right? So that will be super fun, isn't it? Why? Do you all know? You all got the answer why, right? Because the Roman province, Roman Catholic Christianity, Jesuit Satanic organization is headquartered only in Detroit. And that traces how and why the satanic statue was kept next to the nativity set in state of Michigan. Right? So can you all see how the puzzles all got solved and how and why God gave me the holiest wisdom? Right? I only can throw Pope Francis in volcano in Hawaii. Nobody can. Got it? So this is just one layer of the scandal. Now, so what is the second layer of the scandal? I know, population will be just absolutely super mad when I'm going to say this raw truth as well. Okay, you all go to the grocery to get whatever foods you want, right? It can be, I cannot see, nobody can, not even nation, governments, nobody can define what the civilians' basic essentials according to the grocery needs, right? One person can live with just drinking water, one civilian can live just having one apple, so nobody can define what other people have to have. But then this is on a very generic level I'm explaining, okay, in a user-friendly way. So when any of the civilian in United States of America steps into any of the grocery store, be it Costco, be it Walmart, be it Amazon, right? They will be coming across this recreational foods. Recreational foods, I would say the snacks, right? Be it crackers, be it biscuits, be it ice creams, be it chocolates, right? So then there comes the breakfast foods also, right? Everything comes under different category. But then I am absolutely positive at least one civilian should have seen Kellogg's. K as in K-E-L-L-O-G, Kellogg's, right? So they are famous for what? Kellogg's cereals, Fruity Loops, like so many that what marshmallows also will come, right? So many sugary cereals, and all the other crackers and other such things. So do you all know who owns it? Yes, my dear fellow mankind, it is Queen of England Elizabeth II and his son, and her son Prince Charles. Got it? Can you all see the second layer of the scandal? Okay. Why I'm telling this as a scandal means the patterns of abuse. If you're going to see, the people are getting tortured in Illinois, Cook County was different. I explained that. There also Queen Elizabeth is ruling. Wherever she has her space, she mandates that African Americans are thrown in the jail forever. Okay, so that is the patterns of abuse. So just leave that crime of state of Illinois. State of Michigan is also a neighboring state, but then even then the population are tortured. So why? So you all got the answer why. The Kellogg's headquartered only in state of Michigan. Okay, in Detroit. Then I don't know where it is in state of Michigan, but I know it is headquartered in state of Michigan. So on top layer, Pope Francis also having a satanic devil worshipping organization in Detroit. So Detroit is a, see, for each and every single state, people knows what is that state, this, almost very common. So that means the Detroit one. So can you all see how the satanic headquartered organization only in Detroit? And the second layer of the scandal is Kellogg's Queen Elizabeth II and Prince Charles is using, they are owning that facility. And how many food items are coming under the label called Kellogg's? That many satanic the Pringles crackers, chips, right? So all they are producers only. Can you all see how cops never even knew on the highest level of scandal? So even if you are in Detroit, a white skinned cop will be throwing their, why they are getting only $35,000 only per annum? Do you all know why? All their job task is in the entire day is they have to go on the roads of the state of Michigan, gather all as many possible of African Americans on the road, just throw them in the jail. That's all. Every single day they have to do. And they have to provide a status report. How many people are thrown in this jail? How many got killed in the jail in an injustice way? How many cops shot and killed African Americans? That is all is their job. They were thinking that is only the cops' job. Can you all see how the cops in the United States are fooled? And how they will be shedding only tears of shame of being aware of being fooled in the entire scandal? Who should they have handcuffed and thrown on the jail? Only Queen Elizabeth II, only Pope Francis, each and every single Jesuit leader. But they never did that. They allowed all the deadliest wild dangerous species. They themselves only destroyed even cops' brains, right? The cops never knew that also. Can you all see the innocence of the cops? So, this is one layer. So, you all got all the three layers. So, people were wondering why on the earth there would be a satanic devil statue kept next to the Merry Christmas nativity set, and nobody got the answer. Today, 2001, as of this moment, everybody got the answer, right? Can you all see how all the puzzles got solved in an excellent way and how God provided wisdom? I was just only educating few years back, but I never knew COVID-19 scandal will come. I already educated. I never knew what I was going to get into when I was working in that complex project. So all the nations were saying somebody got to do the job to get it done. And they were just having absolute confidence on me that yes, this lady will finish the task successful. And only thing I have to get my salary paid. That is pending. So United States of America should pay me all the salary, right? So you all got there is a real scandal going on worldwide, and how the state of Michigan. Then what happened when I was working on that poverty free only? That was a moment that they transitioned that all the automobiles from the Detroit to be in Tamil Nadu, okay? And then, boom, that Detroit became bankrupt. Can you all see how all the layers of scandal, and then how even a city became bankrupted? To the extent the the real estate market went low, meaning even for $25,000 or dollar homes like that, the people were able to get all what foreclosed. So everything got hit, be it real estate, be it business, be it economic things, right? Everything got destroyed. So who is going to pay the damages? Got it? So I will continue. So as of February 1st, 2021, I, Vedapriya, I am pro se civil lawyer, and USA never provided pro se salary to I am Vedapriya, a true civil lawyer, civil doctor, civil supreme judge is deadliest crime of USA. DWD error is Department of Workforce never have job code and defined salary for at least $100,000 for pro se. Because of that error, Department of Justice error is Department of Justice never able to provide pro se salary to I am Vedapriya, pro se true civil lawyer, true civil supreme judge, true civil doctor. At least that would have provided me to be transitioned from being poverty mode and to be in an improved economic status mode at least, right? So all the puzzles are getting solved. So then why that is error? Why Department of Justice is error? Department of Health Services, the doctors, the medical providers, they never guided, educated the DW to provide pro se job code with the defined salaries, another standalone $1 trillion errors. Then because of those three errors, what is more error of a chain reaction? Treasury, Federal, IRS, tax agency error. And why that is proved on a very, very highest scandal? Because they never provided tax services for total child marriage population. So that disqualifies any of the operation of the tax services, right? So how USA nation ever provided tax services for child marriage population in past 500 years? Now I can provide the interest, everything, but I do not want to do that because that immediate finance compensation is just enough for an excellent civil justice. Right? So when a nation is ruled by phases of Jesuits leader, Vatican leader is Republican, Roman Catholics, Christianity, Jesuits province is where? State of Michigan, Detroit. The Satan, the Lucifer, the Antichrist organization. Hell organization is another $1 trillion scandal, a standalone. Then Republica, Roman Catholics, Jesuits province, State of Michigan, Detroit, the Satan, the Antichrist, the Lucifer, gave 666 mark of the beast, hell, justice, poverty, mandate handbook to USA nation to provide all only injustice and punish innocent always, and misguided and destroyed USA national operations, and with fatal negligence, Republica, Roman Catholic, Jesuits province, State of Michigan, Detroit, the Satan, the Antichrist, the Lucifer, failed to educate DWD, Department of Workforce Division, must provide job code for pro se, at least salary of tax-free $100,000. So civil justice as of February 1st, 2021 is what? Republica, Roman Catholic, Jesuits province, State of Michigan, Detroit, phases of Roman Jesuits Vatican leader, should pay direct deposit tax-free $50,000 trillion to I, Vedapriya, pro se, a true civil lawyer, a true civil doctor, a true civil supreme judge, for there is never pro se job code and defined salary in United States of America as of today. That is the deadliest crime. Then, as at fault and found guilty, USA nation must direct deposit check for pro se salary of tax-free $100,000 and another tax-free $100,000 for damages done, poverty enforced, finance loss created by mandated, and that damage is created resulting from that, and then financial disability enforced on I, Vedapriya, pro se, true civil lawyer, true civil doctor, true civil supreme judge. At fault and found guilty, State of Michigan, Detroit, DWD must pay direct deposit check, pro se salary of tax-free $100,000 to I, Vedapriya. Then at fault and found guilty, State of Michigan, Detroit, DOJ must pay a direct deposit check for pro se salary of tax-free $100,000 to I, Vedapriya, pro se, true civil lawyer, true civil doctor, true civil supreme judge. At fault and found guilty, State of Michigan, Detroit, Department of Health Services must pay direct deposit check for pro se salary of tax-free $100,000 to I, Vedapriya, pro se, true civil lawyer, true civil doctor, true civil supreme judge. Then at fault found guilty, State of Michigan, Detroit tax, IRS, Treasury, Federal Reserve must pay direct deposit check for pro se salary of tax-free $100,000 to I. Vedapriya, pro se true civil lawyer, true civil doctor, true civil Supreme Judge. Okay, then Republica Roman Catholics, Jesuits Province, State of Michigan, Detroit is coronavirus. Then Republica Roman Catholics, Jesuits Province, State of Michigan, Detroit should pay, say what is pro se. Or Republican Roman Catholics, Jesuits Province, State of Michigan, Detroit should say don't know what is pro se. I, Vedapriya, pro se, true civil lawyer, true civil doctor, true civil Supreme Judge is a proof why I am excellent Supreme Chief Judge for all, to lead justice services for all nations, and why I, Vedapriya, the pro se, I am excellent family law judge for all nations, and civil justice wins always is the wisdom. Okay, so thank you all for your time. Okay, and just be aware, I am that I am born to save the world. Okay, I sure will get civil justice for entire population. Okay, thank you all for your time. Take care. Bye now.